Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what we believe is the best germ protection UV sanitizer box on the market right now. The uvcoolplunge 12L Portable UV Sanitizer. If you're looking for an effective, portable, and easy-to-use solution to keep your everyday items germ-free, this one is worth your attention. Let's start with the core function. The uvcoolplunge sanitizer uses advanced UVC blue light technology with a wavelength of 254 nanometers, a frequency known for its high efficiency in eliminating bacteria and viruses. It can sanitize a wide range of household items like toys, face masks, towels, phones, keys, and baby bottles, and it does it fast. In just 15 minutes, your items come out clean and sanitized with no chemical residue, no ozone, and no mess. The real standout feature here is the 12-liter capacity. This is no small pocket-sized gadget. It's designed for families or anyone with multiple items to sanitize in a single session. To give you a sense of its size, you can fit up to 9 baby bottles at once, along with other small accessories. Whether you're a parent, healthcare worker, or someone who values hygiene, this box offers serious space for serious sanitizing. Moving on to convenience, the box features a 3-level timer system. You can choose between 5, 15, or 30-minute cycles depending on how thorough you want your cleaning to be. Once the selected time ends, the machine stops automatically, giving you peace of mind and energy efficiency. It's also built for portability. The unit is lightweight and foldable, making it ideal for travel, camping, or simply saving storage space at home. It even comes with an adjustable strap, so you can carry it around easily. And there's a thoughtful design element too. A built-in viewing window allows you to safely monitor the UV light in action without having to open the box mid-cycle. Another important highlight is that it's ozone-free. That means while it's effectively killing germs, it's also safe for indoor use with no harmful gas emissions. However, as a safety reminder, always avoid direct exposure of your skin or eyes to UV light and only remove your items after the cycle is complete and the device is turned off. It's perfect for households with babies, pet owners, healthcare professionals, travelers, and even office environments where shared items like phones and keys are passed around. If hygiene matters to you, this is a worthy addition to your daily routine. To wrap up, the uvcoolplunge UV sanitizer box delivers in all the right areas: powerful disinfection, large capacity, ease of use, portability, and most importantly, peace of mind. It's designed with both safety and practicality in mind and lives up to the promise of being the best germ protection UV sanitizer box available today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest, in-depth reviews. See you in the next one.